Hey Rockstars, welcome back to Quizzy Kids. Let's get started with today's quiz. Are you ready?
Today let's play Guess the Veggies game. Look carefully at each one and try to name it before the answer appears. Let's begin. Can you identify this red and juicy vegetable? This is tomato.
Yay!
This long orange vegetable is crunchy and healthy. Can you guess? This is carrot.
Yay!
Here's a colorful vegetable often used in salads and pizzas. What is it? This is capsicum.
Yay!
A leafy vegetable that forms a round head. Any idea? This is cabbage.
Yay!
This vegetable often makes us cry while cutting it. Do you know the name? This is onion.
Yay!
A refreshing vegetable mostly used in salads. Can you guess? This is cucumber.
Yay!
These long green vegetables are cooked in many dishes. What are they? These are green beans.
Yay!
This deep red vegetable is known for its color. Can you identify it? This is beetroot.
Yay!
Small, spicy, and green. Do you recognize it? This is green chili.
Yay!
A vegetable loved by everyone and used in many recipes. Can you guess? This is potato.
Yay!
This white vegetable looks like a flower. Any idea? This is cauliflower.
Yay!
A long green vegetable also known as okra. Do you know it? This is ladyfinger.
Yay!
This vegetable has ridges on its skin. Can you identify it? This is ridge gourd.
Yay!
A green vegetable with a bitter taste. What is it? This is bitter gourd.
Yay!
A light green vegetable shaped like a bottle. Can you guess? This is bottle gourd.
Yay!
Long and curved, this vegetable looks like a snake. Any idea? This is snake gourd.
Yay!
A large vegetable with white flesh inside. Do you know it? This is ash gourd.
Yay!
These small green vegetables are often found inside pods. What are they? These are green peas.
Yay!
A large orange vegetable used in soups and curries. Can you guess? This is pumpkin.
Yay!
This green vegetable looks like a tiny tree. Any idea? This is broccoli.
Yay!
A purple vegetable also called eggplant. Do you recognize it? This is brinjal.
Yay!
This long white vegetable has a sharp taste. Can you identify it? This is radish.
Yay!
A green vegetable similar to cucumber but smaller. What is it? This is zucchini.
Yay!
This vegetable is soft and grows on plants without leaves. Can you guess? This is mushroom.
Yay!
A small white vegetable used for flavoring food. Do you know it? This is garlic.
Yay!
This spicy root is used in cooking and medicine. Any idea? This is ginger.
Yay!
This round vegetable looks like a turnip. Can you guess? This is kohlrabi.
Yay!
A light green vegetable shaped like a pear. Do you recognize it? This is chayote.
Yay!
This vegetable has thick petals and is often steamed. Can you name it? This is artichoke.
Yay!
And here's the last one. A root vegetable commonly used in traditional dishes. Can you guess? This is taro root.
Yay!
Please comment below to submit your correct answers score. Hit like and subscribe button for more such videos. Thanks for watching.